Okay, guys, we're back with this game.
But it's another
Hello?
mod. But it's another mod.
Yeah, I just saw the error code just say leave. Oh my god! The black parts are gone. 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, -4.
No, it's not. You did it wrong.
9,
Let me
9,
do it. Let me do it. 9, 8, 7, 6, 3, 4. Wait.
Oh, I cannot find the literal doors. I hope there's no jump scare. You cannot scare with me.
Wait, let me
You cannot scare me. 8, 7, 6, 9 minus 7. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
minus 2. I mean negative 2.
Blah, blah, blah. Facing gobbledygook. I've been wondering what is the answer to this impossible question. Actually, I swear if this game jump scares me.
There's class tomorrow. 6,
9, 10.
11, 12, 13, 14.
Okay, I'm actually lost right now.
Hey,
Okay.
my phone's still charging.
I swear if this game jump scares me. Actually, I'm not ready for this.
Come on. 7, 6. Oh my god. 3.
Probably gonna upload this. One, 0, 1, 2, 3. Take the 4. 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh wait, let me just think.
1,400.
1,400. Bro, why would you think that's the answer?
I'm trying to think. It's so hard. It's impossible.
It's called the impossible.
Impossible question.
Yeah, I thought I heard something which was those Paul Dislin. Imagine if Blue Gigi reacted to this. What?
Imagine if everybody's brain right now.
745,935. Okay, we are down to our last notebook. Also yes, I did recently clean up my monitor.
You clean your keyboard, but it's still.
I cleaned the F6, the F3, the delete button, and the 0 key, which is getting infected by the T. 15, 9, 16.
But you had to like
42. I guess this answer doesn't work. Congratulations! You found all 7 notebooks. Now all you need to do is count while you still count. Ha ha ha! Doesn't that what Baldi exactly does? And the fact that he's not here. Why am I actually scared to get out of the classroom? Actually, you know what? Oh, there's a timer! There's a timer! There's a timer! No! Why? 30 seconds is not enough! Jesus Christ! 9, 8, 7. Dang it! Am I cooked?
is it group chat? Like it says time 0. You're in a maze. Oh no. I think my cousin is good.
Why did that actually? Why did that actually scare me? Jesus! Jesus Christ!
Jesus Christ!
Alt F4. Something changed. We opened the game, of course.